So argument maps are a way of externalizing your reasoning. You would typically decompose an argument into a series of premises and conclusions and see the way that they link up. Externalizing those things is very helpful from the point of view of reflecting on what you think and why you think it, and seeing where the holes might be, where the weaker arguments might be, perhaps where you need to seek more information, whether it's confirmatory or disconfirming information. And so what we've been looking at is designing an argument mapping language which will be helpful to the police, to police analysts. But we're aware of the fact that if we were to take a very purist approach to argument mapping, we would probably ignore some things which are quite important to our users in the context of the work that they're doing. So, for example, they might need to record the questions that they have, which wouldn't normally be part of an argument mapping strategy, or they might need to record the terms of reference. They certainly need to include visualization, because that's the kind of system that we're developing for them. So we have this kind of hybrid or practical model which we've developed, and we're now evaluating to see how intuitive it is to them, how much it fits with their way of thinking, as it were.
So the argumentation maps is a way of visually describing the logic of an argument by dividing it up into its constituents of assertions and conclusions. Now, what it hopes to do is to externalize the thinking and the reasoning as something that the analyst can refer to at a later stage, as well as share, and hopefully they can use it to reflect and to see where are the gaps in their reasoning, as well as where are the possible biases that might have occurred during the analysis process up to that point in time. So what we have done, we have created a conceptual language of the argumentation, and to incorporate it more into a practical environment of the analyst, to see how they think and reason and build defensible assessments. We've created a concept model of the argumentation, so we've done various studies to extract the concepts that we think is appropriate within the argumentation language that we have created, and we are currently running an evaluation to test the effectiveness of these concepts in a practical environment.